Hi, Tony Meier with Windermere Real Estate. Welcome to English Hill in Redmond. As the English Hill area's top-selling broker for the last 15 years, I am pleased to present to you a absolutely stunning home. We are in the Amberley neighborhood, which is part of the English Hill HOA, and we're just a few blocks away from the award-winning Sunrise Elementary. We're going to be taking a look at a two-story home that's 3 bedrooms, 2 1/4 baths, 2,150 square feet, and every surface in this home has been remodeled. Check out this stunning kitchen, big gorgeous island, decor, gas cooktop, double ovens, stainless steel appliances. We've got a beautiful backyard backing to a greenbelt space. All the bathrooms have been updated, gorgeous hardwood floors. This is just a fantastic home, and I know you're gonna love it.